Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Graduated Crochet Design. It's a mixture of double crochet, half treble crochet, and double treble crochet. Now to start off, you can just go ahead and chain any multiples that you need. For this tutorial, I am just doing a quick 20 chains. And if you need help on how to do any of the stitches in this video, check out the description below for links on how to do all these stitches. So once we have our 20, we want to do one extra chain. And at the second chain from the hook, we want to do our double crochets all the way across. So they call this a graduated crochet design because every row you are increasing the amount of stitches in your work height-wise. So here we are at the end, our last double crochet, pull your tail a little taunt and chain 2 and turn your work. And this row we will do our half treble crochet. And what you'll see me doing here is I just have the tail of my work and I'm just kind of tucking it in as I go. I find this much easier to do instead of having to come back later and sew it in. I've already tucked it in as I've worked. So we want to continue this half treble crochet all the way to the end of the work. All right. It's looking good. Right? So we want to turn our work and we want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And in this row, we will be doing our treble crochets. And we'll be doing our treble crochets all the way to the end of the row. And there's no speed required for all of this. Just take your time, enjoy what you're doing. The texture that this ends up giving to any project is amazing. I really think this would be great for a blanket. All right, you can kind of see it coming together. So this row we want to chain 4, and this is where we want to do our double treble crochet. And take your time with the double treble crochet. Sometimes it can be difficult to just get your hook through all of those loops. Remember, it's the 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 method. And we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. So once you finish this row, this is when the repeat starts, and your next row will just be a double crochet. Then the row after that will be a half treble crochet, then a treble crochet, then a double treble crochet. And with the powers of supersonic crochet speed, I am going to just do an extra 4 more rows, just so you can see the texture that this project will end up giving you with the graduated stitches. Alright. We're on our treble row. And now onto our double treble row. Which at supersonic crochet speed makes it look really easy. All right, here we are at the end. And now you can see what type of texture this would give to your project. I really think it'd be great for a blanket. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.